Hi guys, my name is Irfan and welcome to another video. In this video we are playing Scream Go Hero. I know I did the Farsi version, but I'm doing now one in English. So because you know like what I'm saying and what is the game about. So in this game we are a guy that the guy moves with your voice. Like if you shout so much, it will jump so I don't know, so fast. Or like so. Why am I getting bad English? I don't know. Okay, so in this video is Scream Go Hero. The guy moves with your voice, and how much louder you shout, the more the guy will jump. Okay, now I'm good at English. I just changed my brain to English. Okay, now let's go level 1. Ah, 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 eh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Easy. It's easy because I did this in my because I did it on the Farsi version, but that's now. So if you see like here, it says completed because in the Farsi version I did it. So don't think like why did you do it? Why did you do it? Why did you do it without uploading the video? So it's on the Farsi version. You can go and you will see it's 0% completed. Okay, level 2. Ah, 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 ah. Let's put my. That was so scary. Okay, let's put my camera on. I don't know if how. Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me, but yeah. This was the face reveal of me. Okay. Ah. Oh. Eh. What? How did he go without me saying anything? What? What did I do? Ah. Ah. El. Ooh. Ah. How much if I put the adjust sensitivity low, it still goes by itself. I don't know why. Ah. 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 I am scared. Yes. Ah. Go. 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 Go fast. Bam 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 bam. Go, 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 go. I just like pretended like it's a dead place to go. So I like it. Go, go. Okay, now let's go. Every time I play a game, always an advertisement comes. Okay, level 3. Ah. 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 Don't go on the triangle. People that are but ah. Ah. Yes. Okay. Oh, 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 ah, me. hit to those plus and X. That was so hard. When I was so scared that if I die, because it was near to I was almost gonna die because it was an end, because when I was saying like don't slip on the X or pluses, it was going down to die, but I survived. Okay, this is so good. I can do it. Easy. This is easy. What? How are you going? What are you doing? I forgot to put my address sensitivity low. I can't say even a single word. Why? Okay, all advertisements is coming on the simulation. Why? Why? Canada, no, our home and native land. Okay, so we did till level 5. So thanks for watching. If you want more from Scream Go Hero, we can do 2 more rounds, but I have to discover the other ones because every level will be harder and harder. So thanks for watching. If you want more Scream Go Hero, press the like button and comment that I want more. That's so good if you put it, because I don't know what you want. Like, do you want Scream Go Hero? How do I know if you don't put a comment? You think like I'm Akinator, and I know what are you thinking of. Akinator is a game that knows everything. Okay. Why did I just hang? Okay. Press the notification bell, subscribe. Obviously, everybody will say that if they have a YouTube channel and have so many subscribers. And peace. Plus, I don't know what to say. Bye. Peace.